Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose a template and create a standard document on the Google Sheets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the plus icon down below in the right corner of the screen and tap on the first option, choose template. Here you are ready to choose from a bunch of templates organized into categories such as personal, work, project management and education. So now if you are interested in creating a document that requires a standard format, just simply click on it. And then you will be able to get started. Here you can see charts and tablets, so you can tap on it what you would like to change, delete the text and add your own. If you are done with all this information and adding these data, press the button save in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby saving your document. They will appear at this home page of the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.